Insights on the most proficient method to compose a supportive audit. An extraordinary audit ought to have the accompanying characteristics. An accommodating audit ought to interface and draw in with the perusers utilizing individual experience. A great survey furnishes the perusers with pertinent and fair-minded data important to enable them to settle on the best decision. An audit must be very much designed to make perusing simpler by utilizing numerous sections and dodging tops. The essential objective of your survey must stay to give precise and non-fallacy data. Most importantly, let your survey be reasonable and fair. Promoting disclosure. The substance that shows up on this page is exhibited as an outline versus similar advertising. The GABE data incorporates item data, outlines, purchasing aids, and item details. All trademarks, enrolled trademarks and administration marks referenced on this site are the property of their individual proprietors. On the off chance that something is truthfully off base, please get in touch with us and let us know. By contributing your item, certainties better serve our perusers and the exactness of the substance. The table beneath does exclude all organizations or every single accessible item in the market, yet those that we advance as their subsidiaries. In full consistence with the FTC rules, if it's not too much trouble, accept that all connections on the table are subsidiary connections, and we may get remuneration on the off chance that you click one of these and make a buy. We are freely claimed, and the conclusions communicated here are our own. All article content is compassed without partiality or predisposition, paying little respect to support or offshoot affiliations. Facebook Garnorax Male Enhancement. Improve your libido power. In the event that you are a proprietor of Garnorax Male Enhancement, odds are you've had a deplorable ordeal. As much as though that is all you sought, there it is. I simply wrapped up a portion fitting to that episode, and that is an ideal opportunity to take your penivore ennobled format guidance and transform it into experience. Do you really need to do that? This is a desolation-free approach to deal with this. It's ideal to ensure yourself in the occasion something happens. You could typically buy that progression back for not as much as this. Doing this is associates agreeable. In actuality, where do you begin with a creation? Beyond any doubt you can be brave, yet you need your manalichki verstuking pill and bij walmer to be impeccable. I got